So union of set, that means you have to write the all the common element between the 2, 3, 4, whatever the set you have given. So let's see this one by using the example. Suppose there is a set A. It contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4. And now there is a second set B that contains the element 2, 4, 6. Now we need to find the union of set. So union of set is denoted by this symbol, ulta U. So when we need to find the union of set, sorry, not a, it is an intersection. We need to find the union. So for the union, we will use U symbol. So for the union of set, and in the same, the next is intersection. Intersection. So for the intersection, we will use this symbol. There is a minor difference between these two. When you are going to find the union of set, that time you have to write all the elements, whether it is from the A or from the B. If some element are repeating, that means you will see here 1. 1 is in the set A, so you have to write 1. Now 2 is in the set A and as well as set B. So we will write as a single time 2. Now 3, it is only in the set A. And then last 4 and the remaining element from the set B. This is the union. यानी सिंपली हमें क्या करना है, वो दोनों के अंदर कॉमन है तो भी लिखना हमें. And if it is not common in both the set, then again you have to write the particular element. Either it is in A or in B. And while you are calculating the intersection, so in the intersection of two sets, we will write only the common element from the both the set. So you can see here the common elements are 2 and the 4. So inside the intersection, we will write only 2 and 4. They can ask for the any 2, 3, 4 set, whatever. Suppose we consider here set C, that is 7, 8, 6, and we need to find the union. So for calculating the union, that means the A union B with the union C. So we will use the grouping. So first we will calculate the A union B, that we have already calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then union with C. C means 7, 8, 6. So as you know that all the element you have to write whether it is in A or in B. If it is repeating, then you have to write as a single number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not inside the both the set. So 5 is not there. 6 is repeating, but we will write one time. Then the remaining elements are 7 and 8. And when you are calculating the intersection, so again it is grouping. So grouping will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 with the intersection of 7, 8, 6. So you can see here only the common element is 6. So we will write here intersection as a singleton set 6. You know that the whenever we are taking the set, so for each and every set there is a universal set. So when we are drawing the Venn diagram, that time you have to consider first universal set. So for the universal set, you have to use this one as a break. So this is our universal set. So we will write here U. It is not a union. It is for the universal set. Now suppose first time we are considering for the two set. So we will denote the two set by using the circle. So this is my first set. I rename as a A. And then second set B. This is the set B. And now if you see here, between the set A and B, this area is common. That I have set it with the yellow color. So this area will represent you A intersection B. Why it is representing the intersection? Because this area will contain the only element that is common in A and B. So if you write the common element in A and B, so you can see from the above example, we having the common element 2 and 4.
Yes,
so we will
sir.
write here 2. Okay, it is not allowing to write me because of shaded part. Okay, now 2 and 4 is inside the intersection. Why it is intersection? Because 2 is also in A as well as in B. Now in the second portion, means this side, we will write the remaining element from the set A. So which elements are remaining? Say in the set A, we are having the element 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining element are 1 and 3. So here set A is completed. Now you just see the circle of set A. So circle of set A contain the element 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is inside the set A. Now for the remaining part as a B, this portion, so here we will write the remaining element of the set B. So set B having the remaining element 6 is only remaining. So that means the set B contain 2, 4 and 6. So we are considering universal set as a 1, 2, 3 till 10. So if you see inside the A and B, we have written only 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 is missing. So we will write here 5, 6 is there, 7, 8, 9. So this 5, 7, 8, 9 is outside of A and B, but inside the U. So they are satisfying the condition of universal set. कि जो भी हमारा given set होगा, that will be formed from the member of universal set. Now in the same way, you are able to draw the diagram for the three set A, B and C. So here we are drawing for the three set A, B and C. So this one is my A. I'm writing as set is. Then this one is the set B. And this one is the set C. Okay, now see here. There is a one area that is common between A, B and C. एक पोर्शन ऐसा है जो A में भी है, B में भी है और C में भी है. This is the area. Is it common in A, B, and C?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So we will write 6 inside this.
Yes, sir.
Now the above area means this one. This is the area common between A and B. So which are the element inside the A intersection B?
Two, four.
Okay. So here we will write inside the A intersection B. Actually, this was something missing. So we will need to write here intersection as a 2, 4. Correct?
Yes.
So you didn't see here, huh? This was mistake. Now, if we will find, then there is nothing is common. So 5. So this area will be empty. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Not this one. That the portion of 6 will be empty. This portion will be empty. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. Now between the A and B, so this is the intersection area between the A and B. So inside the intersection of A and B, we will write 2 and 4, this one. So here it is 2 and 4. Now this area, this one, this portion is representing intersection of B intersection C. So this one is B intersection C. And now if we see B and C, there is a common element 6.
Yes.
So we will write here 6. For this portion, it is representing the intersection of A and C. ये हमें A और C का intersection बता रहा है. So between the A and C, so this is our A and this is our C. Nothing is common, so this will be empty. Now we will start the filling the remaining element of the set A. So inside the set A, 2 and 4 is there. So 1, 3. Okay, now see here, we have written here 6. Okay, 6 is not. So here we have completed the set A. Now for the set B, it is already completed with the 2, 4, 6. Now for the set C, we will write here remaining elements 7 and 8. Now, which element are remaining from the universal set U? One to 10, any element is remaining? Five.
9.
5, 9.
5 and 9. 10 is also remaining, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we completed the Venn diagram for the 3 set. So whenever you are drawing the Venn diagram, your first step that you have to find the common between all the 3. पहले तीनों सेट के अंदर कॉमन निकालो, फिर दो के कॉमन निकालो. Then at the end of all intersection, you have to fill the remaining element inside the each set. And we have to see all the elements. So X union Y equals to, first we will write the element 1, 3, 5 with the union of 1, 2, 3. So here the union is 1, 2, 3 and 5. So let's see the question number 3rd. So you can see here the question number 3rd is written in the set builder form. So first we will write in the listed form. So that the set A is a natural number multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12. It is infinite set. Then set B is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have to find the union. So union, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 15, dot, dot, because it is uncountable set. So whenever you are going to find the union or intersection, first you have to write the in set builder form. Then after writing in the set builder form, you will write or you will able to find the union or intersection.